Just driving through the countryside, having a wonderful day, and got a real treat for the jet ski and sea-doo enthusiasts on my channel. Got a real treat for you. We're just going to stop for something to eat, and as soon as I get home, I'm going to do the reveal. All right, see you soon. Scotty. See you soon. All right, and we're back home. It's been kind of a long day. We drove quite a few miles today, but here it is. Super excited about this. Right here, it's 1988 Yamaha Wavejammer. This is an iconic jet ski. This jet ski right here, the reason why I'm so excited about this is the exact unit that got me interested in jet skis in the first place. 1988. So in the early 90s, I saw one of these, and it just looked like a riot. Never been on one, but I've heard a lot about them. And this is this example here is missing a few pieces, trim pieces. So there's obviously a trim piece that goes here that's missing, as well as on this side, fabricate something and go on. But other than that, it's in fairly good shape. There is the rubber piece here is cut unglued, and the part, this part here is damaged, which I'll repair that and then glue that back on. That should be good to go. And right, so yeah, and it's in really good shape. So this is going to be part one in a series of videos. Over here. With the Yamaha Wavejammer, right? So come on over here, and we're gonna have a look at the engine compartment. I don't know much about this ski. I know I've got to take the drive out of it, the pump out of it, and I'll probably have to replace the impeller, so on and so forth. We're gonna shine it all up. I'll show you inside the engine compartment. I just figured out how to open this up. Very gentle. This is an old ski, and there she is. Engine in the front. So it's got that really interesting center of gravity that allows it to do all kinds of tricks. And pretty good shape. The guy I bought it from is a mechanic. He replaced all the fuel lines, and so he bypassed the fuel what do you call it? Ignition? No, there's a valve on the side there. Just plumbed right into the carburetor, rebuilt carburetor, and she runs hers like a kitten. Let's just give them the little start test there. Yeah, I mean, watch this. Oh, let's start here. Starts right up. Runs real nice. So I know that there's a little bit of work that needs to be done with the pump, but other than that, this is going to be this thing's going to get right on the water real quick. So we just have a little bit of work to do left on the GTX, and oh my God, this is going to be awesome. Oh, I can't wait to get on this thing. Oh, there's another cable here. I wonder what that is. Oh, that's the throttle. Jesus. I thought it was a... This is going to be awesome. Wow. Super excited for this. And so this is part one. And we're going to be shining this guy up and I got this for, best part about this is I bought it from a mechanic, and he took really good care of it. I always love buying things from mechanics because they take care of things, right? So most of the time I paid $500 for that ski right there. And so I hope you stay tuned to my channel. There's going to be a few more videos to do with this Yamaha Wavejammer, and it's going to be an adventure. So, you Ottawa Scotty, thanks for watching, and I look forward to you guys joining me on this super fun journey that we're going to have with this jet ski here. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. You Ottawa Scotty, signing off. Have a great evening. Big up.